So today we're going to dive into video conferencing a little bit and learn some cool things about it. So video conferencing is an online technology that allows users in different locations to hold face-to-face meetings without having to move to a single location together. We're also going to be covering today why we use it, the benefits of it, and some proper etiquette. So I would say most of us are pretty familiar with some of these, like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, but there's also a lot of other platforms out there that companies use and that they found that work well for them. So why do we use video conferencing? Well, we use it to communicate and collaborate, and this can be done inside or outside an organization. It just depends how you want to use it. It helps us with team meetings. We can also do job interviews using video conferencing. And another reason we use it is because it enables the digital workforce, and it also allows flexibility. So just a few of the many benefits. It improves communication. There's big time and cost savings. It makes scheduling meetings much easier. It also creates consistent, accurate records, and this is actually because a lot of times during these meetings or whatever, you can actually record it and go back and watch it again. And then last benefit we have listed is that it enables live events. And now we have some proper etiquette. There is, again, like the others, there's so many. We're just going to cover a few. So making sure everything works beforehand is a great idea to do before you start a conference. It makes things go a lot smoother. Also remember to speak clearly, look at the camera, find a quiet place if possible, and also when screen sharing, need to pay attention and make sure you have minimum tabs open. So now that we've covered it, I hope this gave you guys some insight and you're ready to start using it with us.